Hey guys, we're back. We're gonna be popping this video real quick of me showing you just how I go about writing this quick and easy application to kind of wreck these scammers here. And they kind of put a little bit of a security on it, which I was pretty surprised of, but it was really basic stuff, so easy to get past. So we're just gonna name this Recking Scammers. We're just making a console application here. That way, we're gonna run nice, quickly, and efficiently. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the website again. We got CSGO walk right here. So I'm going to click enter now. Yeah, okay. Let me reopen that up. Alright, so here's their little really interesting interpretation of the Steam login. And we're going to open up the Chrome debugger. And so here's what I talk about with their little bit of security. They pretty much have something that when you open up the Chrome debugger, it hits a breakpoint in the code, which stops this website from functioning, so I can't use it anymore. And it pauses, so we can't see anything that's going on the site. But it's super easy to get around right here. You can just deactivate breakpoints, and we can continue running the website, and we have full function now. Okay, so now what we want to do is we're going to go over to network, and we're just going to type in a random username like hi pals. Hi then pals, and then we're going to send. Right here we can see there's this request called check PHP, and we can scroll down a little bit here, and we can see form data, and there's my information. Even a referral, which is getting sent to them. Let's see what this collecting does. This is just a bunch of spam. So we don't need that. So this check.php is all we're going to be needing. We can go ahead and grab the URL from right here. And we're going to pop open our coder again. And then we can say web request wr equals web request dot create, and we can throw in the URL there. We just highlight over this and click this using thing. Okay, and now we can do wr dot I believe it is actually let me change this really quick. I'm going to change it to a web client. These are a little bit easier to work with for now. So we're going to use a web client, and we can use wr dot upload data. And so this is going to be the same as a post request, which is what we're actually seeing in here, this request method post. It's the same as uploading data to the server. So we're going to upload it to them. And here we have, we can actually specify the method if we want. So we can say post. And then we're going to put in some data right here, which is actually a byte. So if we go into make a byte called data, and then we're going to say up here, we have a string called string data. And then this needs to be URL encoded information. So we're pretty much just going to do a question mark and then this information down here. We can actually probably just copy this, yep, and kind of change around the characters a little bit. That's perfect there. And then we can go ahead and change these to equals. Okay. So we have our string data, which is set to this. So username equals hi, password equals pals, ref equals daily bonus, and then we're just gonna say equals convert dot to byte, and then we're gonna put in our string data here. What is it? Could just say to fudge pops. 1 second, let me figure out what it is. This is how you do it. Convert string to byte. Look, boom, right here. I've done it before. Right here. That's exactly what we need. Oh no, never mind. That's the question. Right here. Okay. So then you just paste it in. Boom. There you go. So that's how you program. Paste it in there. So now we're posting the data. Let's just run this. So it popped up here and minimized. Perfect. So that means we uploaded the data successfully, and what we can actually do is we get bytes back. So we can see actually what they're saying. So we can do console dot log dot write line. There we go. Data to ASCII2 dot get string from data to. Perfect, and then we can do console dot get input next. It's something here. Read. There it is. Okay, so now we're just gonna pretty much, that's just saying pause at the end. Play this, and you see back we get a status, which is exactly what we get back when we send the request over to our other chitlins. So now it's pretty easy from here. We can do some a little bit cooler things. So you can do string username equals console.readline, and you can do the same thing here for a password, and then we can do a console.write what message line 1. Perfect. Message line 2, because you're pretty much sending them a nice little message. And then we can just put this in here, just like this. And same with the password here. Yep, just like that. We'll space this out a little bit, make it look a little bit nicer. Yep, and then we're gonna need one more here. Of course, the whole reasoning of this is to spam the crap out of these people. So, how many times to send this message? And then we're going to take an int called times. How many times you can do it? We do a console.readline, but we're going to parse it to an integer, which is a number. And then we're going to do for int I equal to 0, while I is less than times I plus plus. And then we're going to do it that many times. And then, yeah, we'll just get the response every time. And then at the end, we can write spam complete. There we go. So now, if we just click start again, we have message line 1. Hi pals, how are you doing? You are about to get spammed. Reckt 100 times. We want to send it 100 times. So here we go. You can just see it's just going through. And we could definitely make this more efficient. I can multi-thread it, and we could have a lot of requests heading at them at the same time. But maybe that will be a part 2 of the video. As you can see, spam complete. So we just sent them that 100 times. Link will be in the description to download this software in case you don't want to program it yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and hope you enjoy wrecking some scammers.